Y'all see what time it is, bro. It is 12:02. And we about to get to the money. Resell Meta glasses. I've been doing this for a while. But how it would be for you after you buy my vendor description for Meta glasses, what it's gonna be like. So we're basically waiting on the product. It's been 3 days and it takes 3 to 5 days shipping, so it should come in the next 2 days. And basically, I already sold it on eBay because y'all know I be selling this. I already sold it on eBay for $20 and I got it for $140. So that should be about $50 profit. So we are gonna see how this goes. When it comes in, I will show y'all what it looked like. And yeah, this is what it normally looks like when it comes in. Y'all see the video, got the right box. The glasses connect to the Meta app and everything is really good. Like it's a really good one-to-one, probably the best one-to-one Meta glass vendor I've seen, to be frank with you. And you can just sell it to people. You can even drop ship off of the vendor. I do that all the time. Links are in the description. If you like more content, just like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.